this right here is a humidifier. Look at it right here. I think it's very nice, easy, and convenient to use. It's a good size, like, and it's portable as well. So I could just carry this up, and I just pretty much put it wherever I like to. And it has a very nice color. Like I like the white a lot, so I think it's pleasing to me. So and furthermore, it's very easy to use. Like, so right now I'm gonna, so like first you just plug it in. There's a cord. Just plug it into the outlet, and then turn it on. You press the power button right here. So currently it is set at 50% RH. To change that, you just click this button. So this will just increase the RH until it reaches 80, and it resets after that. So as you can hear, when I increase that RH, the sound increases. It gets louder and louder. But even at 80, it has a nice volume. Like, it doesn't disturb you. It's really quiet and it's mild. Like, it's a soft breeze. And then to change the speed, if I want to faster, I just click this, and this will increase the speed. Like, so if you look at this symbol right here, this will be slower, and the whole fan is faster. So that's the speed. And then if I want to put a timer on it, I just click this. I can set a timer for however many hours I want. I just keep clicking this to set my hours. Right here. Yeah, the max hours are 24. And not only that, so when this button is on, like right here, it says full right here. So once this lights up, this is when you know you have to take the water out. So like right on the side right here, I just open it, and this is where the water will go. So it's really easy. I just dump it out. Like, as you can see right here, it will light up once it's full, but right now I just took it out. So all I do is dump this out, and that's all set. It's also fairly easy to clean. So right here is the ventilation part. So I just take this out there's a little knob right here, and then, so I just take it out. I could wash this part easily under the sink, and then this part I just put a vacuum right here, and it will clean itself out just like that. Let's see. Just put this back. It goes back really easily. Yeah, so overall I really like this. It's small, easy, it's portable. You listen to it, there's not much noise. It's not disturbing at all, and it's even nice. Like, has this nice view. So I highly recommend this. I like it a lot. It's very convenient for me, and I'm glad I got this.